The UK is rolling out its toughest asylum reforms in years, and countries that refuse to take back their nationals could soon face visa bans. Here's what travellers and affected communities need to know.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one and would like some assistance.
The UK has unveiled sweeping reforms to its asylum system and warned it could impose visa bans on nationals from Angola, Namibia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo if those governments do not cooperate with deportations. UK Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood told Parliament that the UK will significantly change its approach to asylum, arguing she has a moral duty to fix a broken system. A key pressure tactic in the plan is the threat to restrict visas for countries that refuse to take back their citizens who are ordered to leave the UK. The proposed overhaul would introduce a 20-year waiting period before refugees can apply for permanent settlement, along with more frequent reviews of their status every 2.5 years instead of the current 5. It would also give the Home Office wider powers to seize valuables to help cover accommodation and processing costs. In addition, the government could withdraw housing or financial support from people refused asylum, including families with children. Mahmood said visa restrictions may be necessary to ensure deportations actually take place, echoing similar strategies used recently by countries such as the United States. The plan draws inspiration from Denmark's tight asylum model, which includes asset seizures and returning people once their home countries are deemed safe, although critics say the approach is punitive and risks breaching international law. Public opinion is divided, with polling showing a slim majority support for temporary stays rather than permanent settlement, yet strong debate continues across the UK. The reforms still need parliamentary approval, setting up a likely internal clash within Labour's own ranks. What are your thoughts on this issue? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.